Welcome to the vibrant world of anthuriums, a genus of plants known for their striking, long-lasting flowers and decorative foliage. These plants, often called flamingo flowers, add a splash of color to any indoor space, making them a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners. With their glossy leaves and heart-shaped blooms, anthuriums can transform a mundane corner into a tropical paradise. However, anthuriums are not just about good looks. They have specific care requirements that, when met, yield stunning results. This guide is designed to demystify the care process, providing you with practical tips to ensure your plant not only survives, but thrives. From the right soil mixture to the nuances of watering and feeding, we'll cover everything you need to know. In the following sections, we will explore the different varieties of Anthurium Foliage Multicolor, each with its unique charm and care needs. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a curious newcomer, understanding these needs will help you enjoy the full beauty of these remarkable plants. Let's delve into the colorful and rewarding journey of anthurium care. Anthuriums come in an array of colors and shapes, making them a versatile choice for any indoor plant enthusiast. The Anthurium Foliage Multicolor varieties, in particular, are a spectacular sight. These plants feature leaves that can display a mix of green, white, pink, and even purple, often with a glossy or matte finish depending on the variety. Among the most popular types is the Anthurium andrianum, known for its vibrant red spathes and contrasting green leaves. For those who prefer subtler colors, the Anthurium scherzerianum offers spathes in orange, salmon, or white. Each variety not only differs in appearance, but also in their care requirements, particularly in light and soil preferences. Exploring these varieties can be a delightful endeavor. For instance, the Rainbow Champion features leaves with streaks of pink and green, while the White Heart showcases pure white flowers, making each a unique addition to any collection. Understanding these variations is key to providing the best care and choosing the right plant to match your indoor aesthetics. As we continue, the next sections will provide detailed insights into creating the ideal environment for these diverse varieties, starting with the most crucial element, soil. The right soil mix is fundamental in ensuring your anthurium thrives. These tropical plants require a soil medium that closely mimics their natural habitat, light, airy, and well-draining. A common mistake is using dense, water-retentive soils, which can lead to root rot, a common issue with anthuriums. A perfect soil mixture for anthurium should consist of peat moss, pine bark, and perlite. The peat moss helps retain just enough moisture without becoming waterlogged, while the pine bark provides the necessary structure and aeration. Perlite, being volcanic glass, enhances drainage and prevents the soil from compacting over time. To mix your own soil, start with 2 parts peat moss to 1 part pine bark and 1 part perlite. This blend ensures that the soil will hold moisture while still allowing excess water to drain quickly. For added nutrients, consider incorporating a slow-release fertilizer into the mix, which will feed your plant gradually over time. This soil setup not only promotes robust root health, but also supports overall plant vitality. Next, we will look into the lighting needs of anthuriums, which play a crucial role in the color and health of the foliage. Anthuriums require a delicate balance of light and shade to flourish. They thrive in bright, indirect light, which mimics the dappled sunlight of their native tropical forests. Direct sunlight, however, can scorch their leaves, leading to unsightly brown marks. Conversely, too little light can cause the plants to become leggy, with fewer flowers and duller colors. The ideal location for an anthurium is near a window that receives plenty of natural light, but is shielded from the harsh midday sun. A sheer curtain can be a perfect solution to diffuse strong sunlight, providing a soft light that encourages growth without causing damage. If natural light is limited, artificial grow lights can be a good alternative. These should be placed about 2 feet above the plant and kept on for about 8 to 10 hours a day to simulate a natural light cycle. This setup helps maintain vibrant leaf coloration and optimal growth. Adjusting the amount of light your anthurium receives may take some experimentation. Observe your plant's response and tweak its placement until you find the perfect spot. Next, we will delve into the intricacies of watering your anthurium, a critical aspect of its care routine. Watering your anthurium correctly is perhaps one of the most crucial aspects of its care. These plants prefer a consistent level of moisture, but are highly susceptible to overwatering, which can lead to root rot. The goal is to keep the soil lightly moist, but never soggy. A good rule of thumb is to water your anthurium once the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. Use lukewarm water to avoid shocking the plant's roots, and ensure that the pot has adequate drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. During the winter months, reduce the watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. It's also beneficial to occasionally mist the leaves with water to increase humidity around the plant, mimicking its natural tropical environment. However, be careful not to overdo it, as too much humidity can encourage fungal diseases. Next, we will explore the nutritional needs of anthuriums, focusing on how and when to feed them to promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Feeding your anthurium the right type of fertilizer at the correct intervals can significantly enhance its growth and flowering. Anthuriums benefit from a balanced water-soluble fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This should be applied approximately every 6 weeks during the growing season, which is spring and summer. It's important to dilute the fertilizer to half the recommended strength to avoid chemical burn, which can damage the plant's roots and leaves. During the dormant winter months, you can reduce feeding to once every 2 to 3 months as the plant's nutritional needs decrease. Additionally, incorporating organic matter such as worm castings or compost into the soil can provide a slow-releasing source of nutrients. This not only feeds the plant, but also improves soil structure and microbial health, which benefits root development. Proper feeding, combined with the right soil and watering practices, sets the foundation for a healthy anthurium. Next, we'll look into propagation methods that allow you to expand your collection or share these beautiful plants with others. Propagating anthuriums is a rewarding experience that can help you expand your plant collection or share it with friends and family. The most common methods are division and seed propagation. Division is simpler and quicker, while growing from seeds can be more challenging but equally rewarding. To propagate by division, carefully remove the plant from its pot and gently separate the roots to divide the plant into smaller sections. Each section should have several leaves and its own root system. Replant each new plant in fresh, appropriate soil mix and water lightly. Seed propagation involves collecting seeds from a mature plant's berries, which are typically found beneath the spathes. Clean the seeds, sow them in a moist, sterile seed starting mix, and cover lightly with plastic to maintain humidity. This method requires patience, as it can take several weeks for seeds to germinate. Both methods have their nuances, but with careful attention and the right conditions, you can successfully propagate anthuriums. In the next section, we'll focus on the specific care needs of these young plants. Once your anthurium seedlings have germinated, it's crucial to provide them with the care they need to grow into healthy, mature plants. Initially, keep the seedlings in a warm, humid environment with indirect light. As they grow, gradually acclimate them to less humid conditions to prevent stress and promote stronger growth. Watering should be done with care. The soil should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle to gently mist the soil, ensuring it is evenly moistened without disturbing the delicate seedlings. Feeding starts when the seedlings have a few true leaves. Apply a diluted, balanced fertilizer every 4 weeks to support their growth. Be mindful of the concentration to avoid fertilizer burn, which can be particularly damaging to young plants. As the seedlings mature, they'll need repotting into larger containers with the right soil mix. This transition is a critical step in their development, setting the stage for a lifetime of growth and beauty. Even with the best care, anthuriums can sometimes encounter problems such as yellowing leaves or pests. Understanding how to identify and address these issues is key to maintaining a healthy plant. Yellow leaves can often be a sign of overwatering, underfeeding, or insufficient light. Adjusting your care routine accordingly can usually remedy this issue. Pests such as aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs can also afflict anthuriums. Regular inspections of the leaves, especially the undersides, can help catch these pests early. If infestation occurs, use a gentle insecticidal soap or neem oil solution to treat the affected areas. Maintaining clean surroundings and avoiding overcrowding of plants will help prevent the spread of pests and diseases. Proper air circulation is also crucial, as it helps keep the foliage dry and less inviting to pests. By being proactive and attentive, you can quickly address these common issues, ensuring your Anthurium remains a vibrant and healthy addition to your indoor garden. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards mastering the care of your Anthuriums. By understanding the specific needs of these stunning plants, from soil composition and light requirements to watering, feeding, and beyond, you are well equipped to ensure they flourish. Remember, the key to successful Anthurium care lies in balancing the various elements of their environment. Monitor your plants regularly and adjust care practices as needed. With patience and attention, your efforts will be rewarded with vibrant foliage and stunning blooms. We encourage you to continue exploring the world of Anthurium care. Each plant is unique, and as you grow more familiar with their needs, you'll find great joy in nurturing them. Happy gardening!